The flexibility and versatility of Matplotlib makes it a go-to tool for data visualization. Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise AK, and on this channel we talk about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other technological advancement. If this is your first time seeing me, you're welcome to this community. Click on the subscribe button to be part of this community and on the notification bell to be alerted whenever I post any new video. In this video, I'll be introducing you to Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a popular and widely used Python library for creating static, animated, and interactive visualizations in data science, data analysis, and scientific computing. It provides a comprehensive and flexible set of tools for producing high-quality charts, plots, and graphs, making it an essential tool for data analysts, data scientists, and other researchers. Why Matplotlib? Like I said in my previous video, Matplotlib is one of those tools you can use in data visualization, and the importance of data visualizations cannot be overemphasized. It helps bring your data to life, it helps tell stories, it helps you identify trend in data analysis. So without data visualization, data analysis is not complete, because you need to tell those compelling stories to non-technical stakeholders, and data visualization helps you achieve that. And one of the tools to achieve that is Matplotlib, one of the reasons why we are treating Matplotlib today. Matplotlib is important because it empowers data analysts, data scientists, and researchers to effectively explore, analyze, and communicate your data. The flexibility and versatility of Matplotlib makes it a go-to tool for data visualization. Matplotlib is one of those tools, or one of the components, that makes up the Python data science ecosystem. Others includes Pandas, NumPy, and now we're talking about Matplotlib. So even if you just know these three different libraries, you can do exploit as a data analyst. Different data types can be used for Matplotlib data visualization. This includes Pandas data frame, Pandas series, list, dictionaries, or series. In other videos or in subsequent videos, I'll show you how to create visualizations from these different data types. In this session, we'll cover installation and importing Matplotlib. We'll cover the anatomy or the components of a Matplotlib figure. So the anatomy of a Matplotlib figure, which involves the figure, axis, and plot. I will also talk about how to customize your charts, how to create titles, headers, legend, axis, label names, those different tools. So we also cover those in subsequent videos, and I'll cover how to create these different charts. So we have different charts: bar chart, pie chart, line graphs, scatter graphs. I'll show you how to create these different charts and how to create all different charts in one figure. Finally, I'll talk about saving, how to save your different charts. Wanting to create charts, so you also need to save them that you can import into your PowerPoint slides or other tools where you can communicate them. So I'll talk about creating and also saving these different charts. Getting started, the first step is to install Matplotlib, and it's built on Python, so you should have your Python already installed. If you installed using my installation video, which I will link up there, you don't need to install Matplotlib again because it's already installed with Anaconda. It comes with the Anaconda package. However, if you install through other means and you don't have Matplotlib installed on your computer, what you want to do, you want to install. So you're going to install using pip install Matplotlib or conda install Matplotlib. After installation, you want to import Matplotlib so that you can carry out your visualization. Matplotlib is a Python library with other modules, but the module in Matplotlib we'll be using is PyPlot. So PyPlot is a Matplotlib module that provides simple functions for adding plot elements such as line, images, text to the axis in the current figure. So you want to import Matplotlib PyPlot. So the command line you will use is import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. And that's a mouthful and that's long. You don't have to memorize it. Just remember you can always call me a copy or look online and search how to import Matplotlib, right? Just say import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Yeah, then when you do that, you can always use plt to create your plots, create figures, and add different plots to your figures. Now we're going into the live coding session. Don't forget to follow through. The best way to learn is to follow through. And if you have questions, please put them in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one.